Hello, my name is Joel Elliott and I'm the Senior Property Manager here at EW Capital Management. In today's video set, we want to kind of talk to you a little bit about some tips for your investors in regards to property value increases here in Atlanta. Some things that you can do to kind of make sure that you make the best of your property value increase. Don't look at it as a bad thing. It's actually a good thing because, of course, when you purchase the asset, your hope was that the value would increase. So here's some things to kind of make sure that you're maximizing on both the resale value and the rental value. One of the things that you can do is looking at things to be able to increase your rent. The first being like cosmetic upgrades in your particular unit, being able to increase the rent, such as changing out light fixtures, swapping out faucets, things of that nature, which also help enhance the value of the property as well as increase the rental value of the property. Next thing is look at locking in your tenant for a longer period of time, so that you can show stability in terms of your cash flow on that particular unit to be able to show the increases in value along with having an actual tenant in place for a good amount of time. It's a very good focus and a very good plan for your future. Lastly, appeal your tax assessment just in case. Make sure that when you go to appeal your values that you're not looking at the values from a tax standpoint, but from a market-driven standpoint, that the values aren't increasing faster than what they need to be. Because ultimately, you want to control your cost and the investment. So if you can keep the tax value low, it keeps your tax rate low and the amount that you have to pay in terms of property taxes, which factors into your return. And then, of course, the last thing is just that you've done all these things and you maximize values and you feel that the asset is at the end of its life for you, you may want to consider to sell it. You know, there may be other opportunities out there for you, but if you've done all these things and gone through the process of making sure that you've increased some of the things inside of the house to help with the rental value as well as the fair market value, looked at the tax assessment to make sure that that's not overvalued for you, you could definitely look at moving the unit into the market and putting it out there for sale if you have some other things you want to accomplish. As always, there's some great things that are happening in the Atlanta market, and increasing value is just one of those things. If you ever need any assistance with your rentals, make sure you reach out. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.